In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave and join a task in Asana. This is perfect if your inbox is getting noisy and you only want updates on the work that truly needs your attention. We'll walk through it on a desktop or laptop, since that's where the interface is clearest and matches what I'm showing. First, log into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. Once you're in, open the project that contains the task you are working with. You can get there from the sidebar where your teams and projects are listed, or by using the search bar if that's quicker. The key is to land in the project that holds the specific task you want to adjust. Next, click on the task to open the Task Details panel. This panel slides out on the right side of the screen and shows everything related to the task, like the description, assignee, due date, attachments, comments, and the collaborator list. Think of this panel as the command center for that task. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Task Details panel. The control you need sits right down at the end, beneath the activity and comments. If your window is small or you have a lot of content, keep scrolling until you reach the very bottom. You'll see an option labeled Leave Task. Click Leave Task to stop receiving updates. This action removes you as a collaborator, which means new comments, status changes, and other notifications from this task won't hit your inbox. You're not deleting anything or losing access to the project. You're simply stepping back from notifications for this one task. If you still have permissions in the project, you can return to the task anytime. If you decide you need updates again, you don't have to go anywhere else. Stay on the same task and scroll to the bottom of the panel again. This time, the option will read Join Task. Click Join Task to become a collaborator again and start receiving updates. Joining puts you back on the notification list, but it doesn't change who the assignee is. You're just re-adding yourself as a follower, so you're in the loop. That's all there is to it. Open the project, open the task, scroll to the bottom, and toggle between Leave Task and Join Task based on what you need. It's a simple way to control your workload and keep your inbox focused on the tasks that matter most to you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.